Growing up. Today, Year 1, we are going to be learning about how we change as we grow up. Look at these pictures, Year 1, and think about how we change as we grow older. When we are born, we are babies. Then as we grow, we become a toddler, then a child. From a child, we grow into a teenager, and then we become an adult. At the end here is an adult too, but this person is an older adult or an elderly person. Okay, Year 1, let's think about the things that happen to us and the changes that take place as we grow. Here you can see a baby. All babies are born completely helpless. They need a grown-up to take care of them all of the time and give them everything they need. Here we have a toddler. Between the ages of 1 and 3, humans start to develop lots of new skills. Toddlers grow and develop muscles to help them move around. They learn to talk and walk. They start to try to do things for themselves. They still need a lot of looking after because they haven't learnt how to keep themselves safe. Here we have a child. This is your stage of life. Children are aged from 3 to 12 years. You learn lots of new skills during this time, like writing, swimming, and riding a bike. Your parents no longer need to be with you all of the time, but they still need to make sure that you are safe and happy. Here we have a teenager. Teenagers are aged between 13 and 19. Teenagers are getting ready to become adults. They want to try things on their own. Teenagers eat a lot because they grow and change a lot. They can sometimes be a bit grumpy. Here we have an adult. Once you are fully grown, you are an adult. Adults must exercise and make sure that they eat healthily to keep their bodies working well, just like we all do all of the time. Here we have an elderly person. As adults go through their lives, they get older. You are elderly after the age of 65, but many adults of this age don't feel old. Elderly people begin to slow down as their body ages and gets older because their joints and muscles ache. Their eyes might not work so well, so they may need glasses. Older people have softer skin with wrinkles and often have grey or white hair. Okay, today Year 1, you've learnt about how we change as we grow older. And for your activity, I'd like you to think about who the adults are in your family. You can take a photo or even draw a picture of them. Tell me who they are and what they do. If you like, you could even create a pic collage of those adults. Okay, Year 1, I hope you enjoy your activity.